Kuringana na minista wa mai kaunti ya Laikipia Nderitu aria megukorwo makigunika na mubango uyu ni aria marugamitio wira thutha wa biashara nyingi kuhingwo kumana na murimu wa COVID-19 kwa muhano aria marutaga wira migunda-ini ya mahua hamwe na aria marutaga wira irabu-ini.
The people who have been laid off as a result of this COVID pandemic. So those ones we are also contacting their former employers, collecting data and ensuring that they are also in the database.
Niguo kunyihanyihia muhatikano na kugiririria muingi mwena uyu kugomana, thirikari ya kaunti ya Laikipia na mubango wa gukinyiria ria matehotete kugerera nenda na gutigirira o mundu ni amukira uteithio wa irio kuma kuri thirikari ino.
Our teams here and in Nyahururu and in Laikipia North are working on verifying the lists that have been we've gotten data from the MJARI registration. The second set of data we have gotten from the national government through the county commissioner's office, and we are verifying before we put them on the zero contact system, which we are using to distribute food, and which will give a much deeper briefing later when we get started properly.
Ngabana wa kaunti Nderitu Muriithi augite thirikari ya kaunti ino ni irarutithania wira na thirikari nene niguo gutigirira gutire mundu kiumbe ugukorwa kiguna na irio icio na gutigirira aria hatiririku makiria nio megukinyirwo ni irio na njira ya waragania.
I want to ask of all of us in this time of crisis to be fair to one another. These 40,000 households are the most needy. It is not every household. And please, unajua binadamu, Mungu anakuona tu. Kama wewe si needy, usiende na wewe kujiingiza hapo ati kusudi tu. Mungu anakuona na roho yako.
Ngavana Muriithi hougite kugerera nenda cia kiriu thirikari ya kaunti ino ni kuota gukinyiria ria hatiririku ihinda-ini riri irio cia uteithio hatari kumagomania niguo guthingatithia watho wa thirikari wa kwaga kugomania muingi.
Machifu wetu na wengine katika jamii, na nieleze tena kwamba ni miji 40,000, sio miji yote. Miji ya Laikipia ni takriban 1,140 ambaye tumeona kwa census, 140,000 households. Kwa hivyo sio miji yote inapata, ni wale ambao wako na changamoto kubwa zaidi, ikiwa ni miji 40,000.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Maina.